In this video, we are going to talk about calendar module in Python. Well, this module is used to print the calendar of a particular month in a particular year. Well, as you can see on the screen right now, there is something like this having dates and days of a particular month of a particular year. Okay, so we need to achieve this functionality in Python. So let us see how we're going to do this thing. Well, the first thing we need to do is import a calendar module, and then we need to ask the user like what year he wants. So we'll just use input over here to just take the input from the user, like please enter the year, and then user will enter the year according to him. And then I'm going to use another variable that is month for the month purpose. Well, over here I'm not using month because month is a function in calendar module, so it's not preferable to use month as a variable. Okay, so I'm just going to use month, and then I'm going to just use this input over here, and then I'm going to just ask for the same thing again, please enter the month. Okay, so after writing this thing over here, the user will enter the year and the user will enter the month. But if you watch this code carefully, then you can understand that this thing is going to be in the format of a string. So we'll just cover this thing with int so that it becomes a integer type. Okay, so we just need to write it like this, and okay, so it's done. So now we got the user input, that is the year and the month. Okay, but if you watch this code carefully, there will be chances where user gives a year as a -1 or -2. In such cases, we have to understand and provide exception handling to the code. Okay, so what if the user enters a negative value for a year? For such cases, we are going to use an if statement where we are going to say that if the year is less than or equals to 0, in such cases, we're going to give a user another chance to print, like to just give the value of the year again. But over here, before this thing, we will give a warning to user that please enter a correct value. Okay, so we'll just say that please give a positive value. After this thing over here, we are just going to come down and we're going to do the same thing with the month, because there will be a possibility where the user provides the month greater than 12, that is 13 or 14 or maybe -1 or -2. So we're just going to write if month is less than equals to 0 or month is less, or I can say greater than 12. In both of these cases, I want the user to get another chance to give me the month. Okay, so I will just write this thing over here. And before this, I'm just gonna put this thing over here. I'll just copy this and I will just paste this thing over here. But I will not write positive value. I will say between 1 to 12. Okay, so now it looks pretty good. And all I need to do is I need to import nothing. I need to just print over here. That is calendar and then dot month. Well, as I have told you earlier, dot month is going to be like function. So month is a function in calendar module, and this function is going to take two arguments, that is year and a month. Okay, so we have the year from the user, we have the month from the user. So now if I try to run this code, then you can see, let me just come down, you can see please enter the year. Let's say the user enters -1. In such case, it will just let's say the month is 2, so it will give that warning, please give a positive value, please enter the year. Now let's say the year is 2022. In this case, I'm getting the calendar of the month February of the year 2022, and you can just check this calendar from here. It perfectly matches to this. Okay, so that's all about calendar module in Python, and that's how you can print a calendar in Python. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.